Now Morocco came up against Mali. Mali in recent time. I mean 2015, we share Mali team called World Cup. I'm lose it to Nigeria by 2-0. Yeah. A Malian team. That was the team I bring Amadou Haidara, our RB Leipzig, and then your Sekou Koita or Salzburg. Those great players. And then we have backbone of the under 20 under 17 that in a year the backbone of the Malian national team now. And then you have the Nigerian team was led by Victor Osimhen, who had to score 10 goals in the World Cup, and then Samuel Chukwueze and Abrantia Kelechi Nwakali. Now, almost three are members of the Super Green Eagles. Now, the Malian, this game, a game of attack versus defense. Clearly, we share near Wali Regragudi Morocco. Now, a lot of the Moroccan players end these 16 years. They are 15, 14. And how they defend, almost defended throughout the 90 minutes. Abotre omo how to make sure say omo the Malian side now omo attack no Morudin. Mamadou Doumbia on the left, Ibrahim Diarra through the center, then Muhammadu Ibrahim Ewa the left side. And then you have omo topmost player in the Malian team, intelligent midfielder in the team, Abrantie Anje Martial Tiao. He's the controller. It was them against the goalkeeper Taha Benhozil. Captain, centre back captain Abdelhamid was superb. Then you have Fuad Zahuni on the left, and Muad Bogezani. They played so tight. Adam Chake defense in front of them, and then Sofanda Adem. These guys are terrific defenders. And I'm saying that at this age, Mali for spaces and gaps. That were 14 technically omnim at every point in time how to position themselves, when to go for block, area dwells at this tender age. At this tender age. That's what I'm 14, 15. But difficult for in Colase to be defending discipline, well, very organized. They were not in any way shaken by the attacks of Malifono. Then came to the moment of truth. Malifono moment of truth. Now decided penalty shootout. Now penalty shootout, a goalkeeper a display, the prowess. Goalkeeper Taha Benhozil. Or chi penalty means Ochi Ibrahim Kanate there. Ochi Gausu Kone there, the left back. Ochi Gausu Kone there. When I Marshall, this boy, terrific player, yes. And Ochi Ibrahim Diarra there. The goalkeeper made 3 penalty saves to enable Morocco. Now the reason was almost what GDS said. You be my end to me any more. By a hand, let's defend well. Penalty shootout there, a hold there, you bet me and a penalty shootout, they were able to win. Look, the final is going to be very interesting because it's going to be once again a very attacking side. And don't forget, say Morocco in the group B no more. In fact, the 2-0 losing here to Zambia. No more qualifier. That was their 3rd game. No more qualifier. Until almost the entire team. But the first team, Angasabo, they not consider the goal.
First team,
yeah.
No.
And they're proving it against. Why? Hey, you look. But I'm saying that's what is amazing. And then I say, careful because the North Africa who are not used to juvenile football, like Omunya that good. Now, at the West Africa, they are now seeing the likes of Morocco playing technically very good at this level.
They will be shedding knee. Women they are the same. I'm also now crowd we have no crowds who can no for
most of them here 14 13 and giving opportunity World Cup they might not do well because the only physicals in them but Mamu this team say encore under 20 for Morocco the next 2 years they'll be deadly. I'm impressed. Look, Yanya find technically gifted players in this under 17. One thing that say Africa, let me Congo players now. Development there cost Rupa. Abu ye catch you when you grow, and others are catching up. Now, Yanko,